In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw cash from your SoFi account. So you've set up your SoFi account and now you're ready to access your cash. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you handle everything smoothly and effortlessly. First things first, ensure you have a SoFi checking account along with the associated SoFi debit MasterCard. If you've yet to receive your physical card, you can make a quick request for it through the SoFi app. The app is very user-friendly and will guide you through the process within minutes. Having these essentials ready is crucial for completing your withdrawal seamlessly. Now let's find an ATM. SoFi works in partnership with the Allpoint ATM network, which provides you with access to more than 55,000 fee-free ATMs across various locations. Finding one is a breeze. You can open the SoFi app and tap on the ATM finder to locate the nearest one, or if you prefer, you can visit the Allpoint Network's website at allpointnetwork.com/locator, ASPX, for further assistance. Choosing an ATM within this network ensures you won't incur pesky withdrawal fees, saving you some cash. With an ATM conveniently located, you are ready to proceed. Insert your SoFi debit card into the machine to get started. You'll then be prompted to enter your PIN. This is just a security measure to verify your identity, ensuring that your funds remain safe and secure. Next, you need to select the withdrawal option from the menu displayed on the ATM screen. It's important to choose the checking account option as opposed to a savings account to avoid any transaction errors. This will direct your withdrawal from the correct account linked to your SoFi debit MasterCard. Now, think about how much cash you need to withdraw. Enter the amount you'd like to take out and confirm your selection. The ATM will process your request and dispense your cash shortly after. It's always wise to double check the amount before confirming to avoid any mistakes or misunderstandings. Once your cash has been dispensed, make sure to collect both your money and the receipt if you select to have one printed. The receipt can serve as an excellent record for your finances, helping you track your transactions. Don't forget to retrieve your debit card from the machine before moving on. It's easy to accidentally leave it behind in the haste of getting your cash. Finally, it's a great habit to keep an eye on your remaining balance to manage your finances effectively. Open the SoFi app and monitor your current balance and recent transactions in real time. It's an excellent tool to help you stay on top of your budget and spending. And there you have it, a straightforward method to withdraw cash from your SoFi account effortlessly. I hope you found this guide helpful, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tips.